This is Marissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this flag banner birthday card. These are available in a few different languages. Here I have English and here I have French. I'll leave the links in the video descriptions where you can buy these SVG designs. Let's begin. To begin, you're going to cut out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. And then your next step is you're going to glue the letters for happy onto your different flags, and make sure you glue those down in the color order that you want. I've already pre-done that, so I've already glued down my letters for happy. Next, you're going to glue your front card design to the front of your card. So you're going to place glue on the back and glue that down. Now, ignore the back. I actually reused a piece of paper I had printed on before. But I'm just going to place glue on the back so that I can then glue that down to the card. Right, so we're just going to align that with the front of the card at the bottom. And if there's any excess glue that bleeds out, you can use a tissue or napkin to wipe off the excess. Next, we're going to glue down each flag. So it helps if you pre-position each flag before applying any glue, just to make sure you know where you want each flag to sit before it's too late to change your mind. So I know I want my P flag in the middle, and then each of the other flags kind of evenly spaced. All right, so once that's in position how I want it, I can then place glue on each of the flags to keep them in place. And then last, you're going to fold your card in half. Now, if you like, you can make a score line so that it's easier to fold in half. And you can either do that before you cut it out on your cutting machine software. You can add a score line so that your cutting machine does it, or you can add a score line by hand using a hand tool. There are a few different tools available that can do this for you. One is looks kind of like a pizza cutter or a cutting wheel, except for that the wheel is dull, and you just roll that along where you want the score line and it'll create an indent to help you fold. Or you can use something like one of these, and you use this kind of pointy end and a ruler to create a straight line indent where you want it to fold. And I went ahead and did that earlier, and then you just fold your card in half along that score line, and you can use this same tool to also create a nice crease. So you can use it to both create the score line and get a nice crisp fold. And then after your card is folded in half, you can write whatever sentiment you want on the inside and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.